That's it.
You got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child.
This tripod has been trying me. I didn't pack my normal. Oh my god, can you guys see how it's going down? Like it keeps falling. Like I didn't pack my main tripod because it's just so big and it was taking so much space. Now this Momo one that I packed, which is the small one, it's just acting out. Like I really need to stop starting the vlog with complaints. Hi, we are in Dubai. Good evening. It's evening. Welcome to a new vlog. I got in here like 4 a.m. in the morning and we changed rooms, so I couldn't really say anything because I was trying to settle down. This is not the initial room we paid for. The one that we paid for, my husband said it was too small when he saw it and he was like, let us upgrade and get like a bigger space, which is what we got at the end of the day. So they just moved us to this room now. So all through the morning I was trying to like settle down and trying to do other things before I finally picked up this camera. Anyways, I'll give you a room tour. Obviously this place is way better. Comparing this place to the previous place that I stayed in this morning, I think I prefer it. This place is spacious. Like it's spacious. I love my space and he loves his space also, so I don't think we would have survived in that small room. I've been trying to edit my travel vlog. I haven't finished it yet. I need to finish it so that I can post tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Today is Tuesday, so I can post tomorrow, which is Wednesday. I don't even know what I'm going to do. Like I feel like I'm staying here for a long time, so I just feel like something will shall happen. Like I shall have somewhere to go or something to do. But then again, I have assessments, so let me just even be rethinking my movement in this place, because I have assessment to submit. Like I have one that is due for April 14th. That's like 3 days after my birthday, which is ridiculous. Can you see this camera is coming down? What will I do? Then maybe I'll go out on Thursday or Friday. I don't know. I'm thinking of, what am I doing like this? I'm thinking of going to the beach. Maybe I'll go to the beach on Friday or something. But I shall here. One person at the airport was saying that the weather is terrible, that it's cold. And immediately I came here, I was like, cold, okay? This one is not cold though. I'm suffering where I'm coming from. The London weather where I'm coming from, that one is cold. Like I'm so happy. It's, like the warmth here is just, it's just beautiful. This is the annoying tripod. See how tiny it is. It is for phone, like it's for TikTok and Instagram. It can't support the load that this camera has. That's why it keeps tilting, which is very annoying. But let's start from the master's toilet and bath. So this is the bathtub and we have the twin sink. Then here we have toilet and we have shower. Wait, let me check. One is one shower. Okay, this is the toilet and this is the shower. Okay, then this is like the double sink. I feel like a professional videographer. We have like a full-size closet, which I love. I haven't unpacked. I'm going to unpack very soon. Oh yeah, that's one of the things I even said I was going to do. But this is the closet, this whole area like this, before you now like see the toilets and bathroom and all of that. Then here we have the master's bedroom, which is way spacious than where we are coming from. Trust me, I didn't show you guys that because I was so tired. But this is the master's, and we have a TV here also. Balcony is so, when I mean so nice. So coming out, we have the dining area. This is the entrance. But so once you're coming in from here, you're seeing like the first toilet. This is supposed to be like guest toilet, visitors toilet. This is a very terrible tour I'm giving you guys for manage. And you have the living area here. You're spoiling my video, babe. You have the living area. He's watching something on his phone, so it's making him laugh. Yes, go away, bye bye. So like I was saying, guys, this is like the living room area, sitting room, whatever. And there's another TV here. And yeah, I'm coming. Yeah.
wine and some fruits for you.
Oh, thank you. Is it complimentary? We have complimentary wine from the hotel. Thank God. So I need to unpack now, put everything inside the closet because I'm going to be here for a while. Guys, see what happened to my foundation. These airport people. See my nose. See, like oh God. This I don't know. See, I can't even. I'm hungry. I can't rant because I haven't eaten. I'm hungry, but food should soon be here, Sha. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Also, let me go and try and finish editing my video that I was editing. Yeah, bye. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. Do you know what I have been battling? I have been battling time difference since I came here. It's been so bad because right now it's 10 a.m. meaning in London and in Nigeria it is, with you, let me confirm, 7 a.m. in the morning and it's 10 a.m. so by this time 7 a.m. in London, what am I doing by 7? I'm just waking up by 7 a.m. Do you get? So that's why I'm waking up 10 a.m. and imagine waking up 10 a.m. it's like your whole day is gone already. Who starts their day by 10 a.m. or 11 a.m.? So I've been constantly waking up by 11 a.m. here. So far so good. I haven't gone out of the hotel yet. I haven't gone anywhere. I've been in the hotel since I came in on Tuesday and today is Thursday, but I'm going to go out today. I'm going to go into the city today to do 1 or 2 things. Then yeah, I've not had breakfast. I've ordered for breakfast. Breakfast should be coming soon. Then when I eat, I'm going to shower, then start my day properly. Hello, hi guys. So I'm going out tonight, brother. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going downstairs. I picked this hotel because they always have like activities to do. So I'm meeting up with my friend Mimi. She's coming here. See, she just called me that she's downstairs and I haven't even done makeup. And the makeup I wanted to do something very light though, not like heavy makeup also. But she's coming upstairs now and I don't know. Since it's light makeup, it's not going to take me like so much time. But this is my outfit though. This top is from Zara. My jeans, they're also from Zara. And yeah, look at my earrings, guys. I have double piercings. I have never said this before. I don't think you guys even know that I have double piercings. I got the second one in uni, my 100 level uni. Immediately I entered 100 level, that was the first thing I did. My mom was so mad and I just reopened it last week. It was closing, so I just reopened it. See, this second one. I don't know, I've just been in the mood to have the second one open, but I know I'll get bored of it because I got bored of it, so I allowed it to close. I know I'm going to get bored of it again and I will not let it close all over again. That's just me, honestly speaking. But I don't know, maybe because it just goes really nice with my braids and this other big one. That's it, basically that's it. And yeah, I don't know if Mimi wants to say hi to the vlog, but I need to start doing this makeup like now. I don't know how I lost track of time. I won't even lie to you. I thought that was early and now she's downstairs. That's it. So let me tell you guys 2 things that I totally forgot that is really upsetting me right now. You guys remember the hair clips that I was really excited for? I forgot the hair clips. I forgot them. When I got here, that was the first thing I wanted to use. I totally forgot it. It's not here, it's in London. Then the second thing that I forgot, guess, which is very not obvious right now, is my belt. I totally forgot my belt. Who forgets belts, please? Now this is what I'm doing. I'm using my head scarf to improvise. You know, who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. Who's gonna know? Tell me, who's gonna know? Now it feels tight. Exactly what I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes.
우리 집에서 내 성적 다음으로 네 성적이 최대 관심사야.
네. 근데
Say hi. Do you still know how to use a camera like this? Do you know? I like this. What's it called? This stupid tripod. This, yeah, like because of how
it's
small
useless. I hate it so much. It's so, what do you call it? It's fragile. Like this is not my main one.
Of course, this is what it's supposed to be for now, just for tiny. It's not. It cannot be a main tripod.
I still don't like it though.
It can't be main.
It's not giving me Homer.
The camera is probably heavier than it.
Hi, you guys have been looking for Mimi J.
Yes.
See how I've kidnapped her. She's been kidnapped.
Hey.
This has got to be the worst makeup I've ever done. This is like rush through makeup. I didn't even, what do you call it? I didn't even conceal. I didn't even use concealer for my brows or anything. I just did foundation, then I did blush, lip gloss and mascara. That's it. Anyhow, we done. Hello, today is Easter Sunday. Happy Easter Sunday, guys. By the time you're watching this, obviously it's not Easter Sunday anymore, but yeah, hi. I am going to the mall today. What do I have to do? Oh yeah, we want to see a movie. I want to see a movie. Then I also want to do like small birthday shopping, okay, because my birthday is on Wednesday and today is Sunday, so I just want to get like a few things for myself. Also, we need to get belts. You know, I've been complaining about belts since yesterday, and I also realized that I forgot my lash glue, so I haven't been using lashes. But although I have been loving my natural lashes too, but still I haven't been able to use lashes, so I need to get lash glue. I forgot that one. I don't know how I forgot important things, and it has been annoying me. My clips, my lashes, my belt, I just forgot all those things. So I want to get to the mall, get those things, and also get like little birthday stuff for myself. And yeah, that'll be today. Then I'll come back home because I'm tired. Yesterday I slept very late yesterday, and I woke up very early this morning, so I'm still really exhausted, like so exhausted. But yeah, this is my OOTD. This is my outfit. It is so hot here, but I do not have the right to complain because I know that when I'm in London, I'm always complaining and I'm always saying it's cold. So let me not say anything. But I'm literally sweating inside the house. But yeah, you guys can see the belt wahala I have been facing. When I get to the mall, that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'll get a belt and go and change in the toilet and stop using scarf to hold my trouser, because it just makes it look so weird, especially if I turn back. But anyways, is basically my outfit. I got my top from Naked Fashion, and I'm so obsessed with this top. Like, the design is just so pretty. My jeans, they're also from Zara. I'm not trusting Zara with sizes anymore. I don't know what's happening. I have to start using a belt, and usually I don't use a belt. Like normally I hardly use belts whenever I wear Zara trousers, Zara pants, but now that's what's happening. But anyhow, bag, I haven't worn my shoes yet. But yeah, I'm putting on this fragrance today. I'm wearing this fragrance today, Stronger Than You, and I love, why isn't this thing focusing? And I absolutely love what this smells like. And yeah, this is the outfit, and I'll see you guys when I get outside.
Yeah. You know, even try to, nobody can match you. Don't you for life, sexy mind and body, you already got me now. Loving you madly, girl, you might be matching your body. She no even trying, she got it. I be here beside you, anything I got you. You no play, all you do is shut down the runway. Looking dangerous like a gunplay. They all wanna grab you, on you like a tattoo. Hey, don't you fall like, you know even try to, nobody can match you. Don't you fall like, sexy mind and body, you already got me now. Hey, you wanna get it,
just coming in. I'm so tired. When I tell you I am tired, I am hungry. After this, I'm going to get something to eat. The heart attack that I almost had this evening, guys. When I came in, my laptop, sorry, I said my laptop, my camera, this camera, it fell down. It fell from the slab, and the slab is kind of high, and it fell. I was so sad. I screamed. It was so scary. I won't even lie. It was so scary, because this is not the first time this is not the first time that this camera is falling down. This is not it. So it just got me really sad. Like, my mood just changed. I was like, I can't wait to get to the hotel and just shower, eat, and continue watching my Korean film. That was how happy I was when I was at the mall, only for me to come back home. And immediately I came back. I don't know whether the thing was waiting for me to just come home. Immediately I came in, I didn't even sit down. I just heard pop. I literally screamed. I was like, my camera. Luckily for me, nothing happened to it, just the mic. Something happened to the mic. I hope this sound is okay, because this mic, I love this mic so much. Like, one of the best mic, in fact the best mic I've ever gotten. This mic is the best mic I've ever gotten. It can pick up any sound, like literally any sound from anywhere. But yeah, that's by the way. So I finally got all the things that I left in London. I got my belt, I got lash glue from Huda Beauty, and I also got a new concealer from NARS. I got this in caramel. This is caramel medium deep. Then that's Sephora. You can't enter Sephora and say you're only going to shop for one thing. You must get other things. I got this trio, this Kylie mini perfumes. I've been wanting to try them out. So this one is, I got the white flower, vanilla, and I got Utopia. I just got the small ones. If I end up liking any of them, I'll get them in like bigger bottles and all. But yeah, that's my day, guys, and that's also the vlog also. Welcome to a new week, because today is Sunday, so tomorrow, oops, this thing fall on the floor. I'm going to try and edit this vlog and upload it. Right, so I'm going to jump into the shower, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.